So apparently I have a problem with finding projects from YouTubers that soak much of my time. So we're probably starting another video series. I'll show you on one. These are the parts that I've been printing and buying for the WR1 from Curve Lab. It is a 3D printed 1/8 scale RC car with a top speed of 40 miles an hour. So I'm going to be working through this project for the next bunch of time. I will show you the parts parts lists, and we'll go through the assembly and some testing. So look forward to this in the next few weeks.
So here's their website here in WR1. This is the car that we're building. And you can go up. I'll show you the PDFs and whatnot in a second here. You buy the 3D printing files. You can see currently it's on sale for $35 American. I don't know how long that's going to last, but if you're interested, you might want to buy it now. So if you go back to their main page, you can see the build guide here. This is the full documentation that you get when you buy the product. So you can go through, look up everything, see what the print sizes are, print times, and you can go through further on. I'm just going to page through it here quickly, but you can see their full parts list as well as all the links to the parts. So you'll be able to price it out for yourself beforehand, which I didn't do, and I'm kind of glad I didn't do because I wouldn't have done this project. So you can see here's the full part list and links wherever possible. I had to do comparables. He's also got a version that uses both the M3 and the M4 screw sets. And he's got different parts for the M3 and the M4 variants. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates of the next video in this project. And until next time, remember, it doesn't matter if you make or break, as long as you're having fun.